Okay, I think we have a few more stragglers coming in, but I will go ahead and get started. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today for our webinar, Simplifying Your IoT Journey with Elevate. My name is Keely McBrayer, and I'll be facilitating this webinar today. Let's go ahead and just jump right into our agenda. So today we're going to meet the Elevate experts, and they're going to give us a quick introduction into our company overview, and then explain Elevate's quick start kits as well as our pre-configured solutions. After that, they'll discuss starting your IoT journey with Elevate. And in the end, we'll do a Q&A where they will answer all of your IoT questions. So if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat and we'll answer them at the end. So with that, let's meet our experts.
Thanks, Keely. Well, thank you everybody for joining our webinar for Simplifying Your IoT Journey. We're excited to bring everyone this new approach to getting started with IoT and IoT projects. My name is Hugh Zinsmeyer. I'm the Vice President of Sales. So I come to everybody with a little bit of experience over the years through industrial automation and also mobile off-highway controls. The other aspect I would add too is that I've been on this IoT journey for the last 8 years. Started very early on with the advent of IoT gateways, and I've been trying to help customers and OEMs get started with their IoT journey ever since. Travis?
Thanks, Hugh. Good morning. My name is Travis Honegger. I'm a Senior Customer Success Engineer with Elevate. I have a long background of developing electrical and control systems for mobile off-highway equipment, as well as the control application software and IoT solutions for the same market.
So just a little bit about Elevate. So Elevate was founded in 2017. So we got started with a fluid power distributor out of the West Coast. So when you look at our team, we like to say we're from the industry for the industry. So our team is made up of various folks that have experience either with vehicle design projects or with consultative project management and sales. So we like to consider ourselves trusted advisors through the IoT journey. And our primary focus for our team has either been on automation or telematics over the years. In addition, our product development team has been focused on developing IoT solutions for the mobile off-highway space. So this is highlighted in our topics today that we're going to share and discuss. Also, we've been recognized by Diesel Progress in 2023 with the Digital Technology of the Year award. And this is a very big thing for us because it highlights that our software solution is being driven by most of our strategic partnerships in the market. And Elevate continues to be recognized as a technology leader in the IoT space. And we have a number of technology partnerships that highlight this. So just a quick overview of kind of our markets. So these markets provide, similar challenges across the board. So when you look at the advancement of technology in these markets, as well as the common challenges they're facing with equipment management, our goal is to support the IoT journey for mobile off-highway OEMs by providing high-value solutions to common challenges through a connected machine strategy. So these are some examples of the markets we work in today. So through our experience, we found there's some pretty common challenges that the OEM faces with getting started on the IoT journey. So one of the primary challenges that they face is going to be just the complexity of the IoT integration, and more importantly, the subject matter, right? So OEMs today and customers have a lot of experience with automation and technology on the machines, but when it comes to IoT, there's still a learning curve there. So we want to really help alleviate that by meeting customers where they are on the IoT journey by providing them a simplified approach. When it comes to development time constraints, this is another large challenge. We're competing with, the OEMs are competing internally with, shortage of resources when it comes to technology implementation, trying to keep up with things like electrification and engine-based hydraulic designs. So this is another key area that we're trying to address with our products and our solutions. And then most importantly is measuring ROI. right? So with IoT projects, sometimes it's difficult to understand how we measure ROI, and we want to provide a consistent path to be able to do that for the OEM. So Elevate is excited today to introduce our Quick Start kits. And from our experience with working with OEMs with these challenges, we're excited to introduce how we are going to address those challenges through the Quick Start kits. So Elevate's, we have a couple of different Quick Start kits we're going to review with you today. So the first one is the Elevate EZ Quick Start Kit. So again, the point here is we're going to meet you where you are with your IoT journey and help you get started quickly. So we want to give you a path that involves minimal development time. We want to give you streamlined dashboards that address common use cases that would bring high value for you as an OEM. And then in addition to that, we want to provide focused functionality based on our experience and voice of customer feedback with common challenges they face. So when you look at pre-configured solutions for Elevate EZ, we're focused on asset utilization. So one of the biggest challenges OEMs face today is just understanding how is equipment being used? When is the equipment being used, and how can we enhance productivity? Another big challenge is just understanding and managing engine performance and monitoring and optimizing engine-related parameters. So, engine manufacturers have controllers on them, and they put a number of different information on the bus. We want to be able to help OEMs interpret that information to have a better user experience for their customers. And then maintenance and warranty management. Of course, this is a common driver for IoT projects. We really want to streamline this approach for the OEM and provide, some consistent processes and warranty tracking with real-time insights through a streamlined dashboard for maintenance and warranty management. So our second offering we're going to go over today would be our Elevate Machine Connect kits. So again, we're gonna provide you a great starting point, but also more importantly, we're going to give you the capability to scale as you consistently move on with your IoT journey. So when you take a look at the Machine Connect kits, similar to Elevate EZ, we're going to give you the capabilities to manage asset utilization. Here we're going to give you some capabilities with engine management, but in addition to that, we're going to give you some capabilities to read DM1 messages, understand better engine diagnostics with the Machine Connect kits. And then again, we're going to give you maintenance and warranty management. And then, of course, the big one here is virtual technician. So as machines are becoming more complex in the marketplace, having the right person that could diagnose the right problems at the right time at the machine. So we want to provide this remote connectivity for the virtual technician to be able to understand those problems and challenges. And then more importantly, as you get started with these different areas, we want to be able to give you a scalable path, right? So now with Machine Connect, we can give you some starting points, but now you also can take those starting points and continue to enhance those over time and provide better long-term scalability for a solution as you get more comfortable with your IoT journey. So you can see here we have a comprehensive IoT solution with key features. One of the key things to understand here about the IoT journey is we want to meet you where you are, but also we want to help you get where you want to go. So when you look at accelerating IoT adoption for your company and tracking performance improvements, we want to provide a scalable platform that allows you to a starting point to get started today, but then also a path forward so you can continue to build on your connected machine strategy to improve results with your IoT journey. So now I'm going to pass it along to Travis, and Travis is going to talk in more detail about our features and capabilities with our Quick Start kits. Travis?
Thank you, Hugh. Let's start by taking a look at what's in the Quick Start kit. Our Quick Start kits couple pre-selected telematics hardware with an Elevate service subscription. That hardware includes a gateway device to provide connectivity between you and your machine's data, an antenna to ensure the best possible GPS, cellular, and Wi-Fi connectivity to the device, and a development harness to provide means of interfacing your machine's electrical system and communication buses. The Elevate service subscription provides a cellular data plan and SIM card for the device, access to our web portal for viewing your data, and access to our pre-configured solutions dashboards to allow you to start visualizing that data without any additional development time required. So you might ask, why did we put all this stuff together in a kit for you instead of having you source these pieces yourself? But one, it ensures the quality of the hardware. The hardware in our kits have been selected from partners with longstanding reputations for providing quality devices for the mobile off-highway markets. Two, it ensures compatibility with our platform. Every piece of hardware in these kits has been validated on our platform for this use case. Three, and most importantly, it eliminates development time. You no longer have to devote large amounts of time and resources to selecting IoT hardware and complex peripherals. We've done that for you and put it all in a bundle. With that hardware bundle, we allow you to attach a subscription so that you can determine the length of your service term, as well as select additional features that you may need depending on where you're at in your own IoT journey. As part of your Quick Start Kit, you'll be given access to our pre-configured solution dashboards. Pre-configured solutions are template dashboards and device configurations that can be used right out of the box or can serve as a starting point for a more customized solution. The first one that you see here is our asset utilization dashboard. This dashboard focuses on working versus idle time, aggregated on either a daily, weekly, or monthly basis to give insight into asset utilization and operational efficiency. Our engine management dashboard focuses on key J1939 signals from the engine ECU in order to provide insight into your engine's current operational state. Our maintenance and warranty dashboard provide quick snapshot status of your machine's scheduled maintenance and warranty milestones. There's also an additional tab to provide more in-depth information for each individual reminder and where they're at within their respective intervals. These reminders can also include email and text notification to the user as each item becomes due. The virtual technician dashboard focuses on time series data, allowing you to identify trends and outliers in your operational data and remotely troubleshoot fault conditions. This dashboard also takes advantage of the platform's command and control functionality to expand the user's ability to perform remote diagnostics. The majority of these dashboards are available through the Easy Quick Start Kit, but are limited in the amount of customization that is available. For full customization options, over-the-air updates, and the addition of the virtual technician dashboard, the Machine Connect Quick Start Kit may be your better starting point. Regardless of where you are in your IoT journey, Elevate's here to help you. Simply reach out to an Elevate service representative to begin the customer onboarding process and have an organization created within the platform for you, along with your user management preferences. From there, you'll select hardware and a subscription term that supports the values that you need, and then work with an Elevate representative to ensure your asset model. The asset models that are required are enabled within your organization. When ordering your Quick Start Kit, there are two part numbers that are of importance. The first is going to be the hardware bundle part number, which can be seen in the column on the left here. The column on the right shows preferred subscription part numbers for each hardware bundle. However, there are many options that are available for the subscription part number. If you would like to inquire as to the details of what else is available, feel free to contact an Elevate representative.
Well, thank you, Hugh and Travis. That was super informative. And thank you guys all who are watching and listening. Hopefully that had some value for you guys. And now we'll see if you guys have any questions. Okay, I'm not seeing that there are any questions. We will be sending out a follow-up email to everyone who attended to give just an overview and summary of what we discussed today. Oh, we did just get a question. This can be for either Hugh or Travis. Has Elevate ever done any well control?
So I'm not sure what specifically the application question involves. If it, I'm assuming well control, as long as we have an interface to a controller and the capability to send CAN commands to the controller or receive commands from the controller, we certainly would have the capability to evaluate that application and understand how we'd be able to deliver some capability there. I would recommend that you send your questions into Elevate, and we certainly can arrange a time to follow up with you and have a more detailed discussion about how we can help.
They did add more information. They said well water service for private water wells. Apparently they have originally used Samsara, and I guess are trying to learn more information.
Yeah, so this would be a great starting point for a conversation. So if you could just share your contact information with Keely in the chat, we'll certainly follow up with you and have a more specific conversation about your needs and how we can help you.
For sure. And like I said, I'll be sending everyone a follow-up email just to say thank you and give you guys our contact information. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We can go ahead and end the meeting early since there are no other questions. But our experts and myself will stay on for a few minutes in case someone wants to talk to us after. But thank you guys again so much for attending, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.